number is 254111052. In this video, I would like to explain about business presentation. A business presentation is an important activity in the business world. Through presentation, people can share ideas, explain plans, present business strategy, and influence others in making decisions. Therefore, having good presentation skills is very important, especially for students who will enter the professional world. In this presentation, I will discuss several important topics including first, preparation for a business presentation, second, presentation tools, third, audience analysis, fourth, body language, and the last one, and how to build confidence when presenting. First, let's discuss presentation preparation. A successful business presentation does not happen suddenly. It requires good preparation. If the preparation is done well, the presentation will be clearer, more organized, and easier for the audience to understand. There are several important preparations that a speaker must consider. First, mastery of the material. The first preparation is mastering the material that we will be present. The speaker must fully understand the topic before explaining into the audience. When the speaker understands the material well, the explanation will become clear and more convincing. If a speaker does not understand the topic, the presentation may become confusing and the audience may lose interest. Therefore, before presenting, it is important to study the material carefully, organize the ideas, and prepare key points that will be explained during the presentation. And two, mastery of presentation tools. The second presentation is mastering presentation tools. In modern presentation, speakers often use different tools to help explain their ideas. A speaker must know how to use these tools properly. This will help avoid technical problems during the presentation. When presentation tools are used effectively, they can make the presentation more interesting and easier for the audience to understand. The third preparation is analyzing the audience. Understanding the audience is very important because different audience may have different expectations, interests, and levels of knowledge. If the speaker understands the audience well, the presentation can be adjusted to their needs. For example, a presentation for students may be different from a presentation for business manager. The last preparation is analyzing the location where the presentation will take place. The environment can influence the way the presentation is delivered. For example, the size of the room, the seating arrangement, the lighting, and the available equipment can affect the presentation. By understanding the location beforehand, the speaker can prepare better and avoid unexpected problems. In today's modern world, technology plays a very important role in business presentation. Professional speakers often ask multimedia tools to make their presentation more effective and in engaging. However, technology is only a tool. The most important thing is the speaker's ability to explain the material clearly. Some common presentation tools include: first, chalkboard. A chalkboard is one of the traditional presentation tools. Second, food cards. Food cards are commonly used in meeting, discussion, or training season. Third, slides. Slides are one of the most popular presentation tools today. Slides help speakers display important information such as text, image, diagram, and cards. Fourth, electronic whiteboard. An electronic whiteboard is a modern tool that allows speakers to write digitally during presentation. And the last one, LCD panel or projector. An LCD projector is used to display presentation slides on a large screen. Another important aspect of a successful presentation is audience analysis. If a speaker fails to understand the audience, the presentation may not achieve its purpose. There are several questions that a speaker should consider. First, who is the audience? Understanding the audience helps the speaker prepare the right content. The audience may differ in age, occupation, position, education level, and cultural background. Second, what does the audience want? The speakers must understand the expectation of the audience. This helps the speaker deliver information that is relevant and useful. And third, where will the presentation take place? For example, whether the presentation is in a city or rural area, whether the room has air conditioning, or whether the environment is formal or informal. Fourth, when will the presentation be delivered? Timing is very important. For example, presentations given in the morning are usually more effective because the audience still has high energy and concentration. In a presentation, communication is not only verbal but also non-verbal. Body language plays an important role in delivering message and building connection with the audience. Some examples of body language in presentation include facial expression, smiling, eye contact, hand movement, shoulder movement, head movement, the way a speaker stands. Good body language can make the speaker look more confident, professional, and engaging. For example, maintaining eye contact and help build trust with the audience. Smiling can also make the atmosphere more friendly and comfortable. Confidence is one of the most important factors in delivering a successful presentation. Sometimes speakers may feel nervous. This is normal, especially when speaking in front of many people. There are several signs that show a lack of confidence. The first is trembling. Sometimes hands or knees may shake because of nervousness. This happens because the body has excess energy. The best way to deal with it is to move naturally, and use the energy positively. The second is speaking intermittently. If a speaker suddenly forgets what to say, it is better to pause, take a deep breath, and then continue the presentation calmly. The third is dry mouth. If the mouth feels dry during the presentation, the speaker can drink some water to feel more comfortable. According to Peter Orsbeder, there are several ways to improve confidence in presentation. First, when you introduce, smile and look at the audience. Do not look down or appear embarrassed. Be proud of yourself. Second, start your presentation slowly with good posture. Stand upright and keep your head up. Third, begin your presentation with a serious and meaningful opening statement. And fourth, remember that you understand the material better than the audience. This means you have control over the presentation. And fifth, wear your best clothes to create a professional appearance. Finally, the most important thing to smile. A smile can make the speaker look confident and approachable. In conclusion, a successful business presentation requires good preparation, understanding of the audience, effective use of presentation tools, positive body language, and strong self-confidence. By mastering these elements, a speaker can deliver ideas clearly and create a meaningful impact on the audience. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this explanation helped you understand the importance of business presentation in professional work. Thank you so much.